Hello and welcome back to another Playmo AF unboxing and review, everyone. Thanks for watching. Today we are taking a look at, we're taking a look at a horse. In fact, here's another one for you. I am a child of the 80s. I was born in the 70s, but I grew up during the 80s, and that's when I was primarily collecting Playmobil initially. And these are the type of horses that they had back then. Not very dynamic, not nearly as dynamic as the figures, that's for sure. I mean, they did the job, you knew it was a horse, but there just wasn't a whole lot to go by. I know that in the past 10 years or so, maybe even longer than that, they've come out with better looking horses. And I kind of wish they do it with all their animals now, but the horses are much more dynamic. And ever since I got this Special Plus figure, if you remember, I did an unboxing in my car. We are looking at Playmobil set numbers 70602, the cowgirl with horse. It's great that the horses look like this now. This is so much better than the original horses. I decided that I couldn't just stop with one of these modern horses. I had to get new ones. But the only thing was, every time I went searching for more on eBay, or even Facebook Marketplace or any other third-party site that would probably sell some spare horses, they were never cheap. They were ridiculously expensive for one horse. And so I happened just to go into Barnes and Noble today, not looking for anything, and I found this. So today we're going to be looking at a 3-pack of horses, and I believe the one in the middle kind of resembles a Clydesdale, even though I think Clydesdales are very large, if I'm not mistaken. I would have liked, a saddle here for Clickies to ride on. I can definitely pick a saddle up and add it on to there, but it would have been nice if it was included. I don't know too much about horses, but taking a look at them a little more close up, I do like this one. It, kind of resembles the one I showed earlier. As you can tell, there is a major difference in their appearance. This looks very Trojan horse-esque from all the pictures I've seen depicting the Trojan horse. And I love the fact that the legs horses are posed for trotting or running. And then we have this gray one here with white hair. I think that one's pretty nifty. Pretty cool. And so there's only 12 pieces, and I'm guessing obviously you got the horses, but then you got the things that go around their face and the straps you hold onto and the saddles. And then you got this little string here. I guess this is for the trainer to guide the horse through the farm there. I am so sorry if you are a horse fanatic, and I'm using all the wrong terminology, or I just don't know the terminology, because I don't. I'm so sorry, but all I care about are having these horses in the collection here. Obviously, we're looking at the back right now, and we got a nice picture of our horses out in the field there. And here is the brown one with the string attached and this little handle here. Then we have our choking hazard warnings, barcode, and country of manufacturer and origin. So yeah, other than that, there's not a whole lot else going on here. Let's go ahead and unbox this. So here's the first horse. Very nice. I do like its semi-dynamic pose here. Even the hair's a little bit tousled, as if it's been galloping a little bit. And I don't think this is a repeat. Is it a repeat? No, it looks like a completely different design on this side. I was wondering if it was all the same on both sides. But does not appear to be, which is great. Now here is the old version. Not nearly as white, but I mean, this could have been the white hue it was made in. I don't know. It could be age that's made it kind of yellow or brownish. But yeah, look. I mean, look at the tail. The tail is just, it's like a handle, like a teacup handle, and you got this right here. Big difference. I really like what they've done. But this kind of matches like the Playmobil style, you know, of the clickies, much better. Let's go ahead and take a look at the other ones. Then here's our other horse that has a saddle. Really nice. I don't rather have another older version of the gray horse to compare it with, but that's okay. I do have black ones with kind of this white speckled pattern on it, and this is actually really nice. Kind of like this one better than the white one. Yeah, it's a very calm, kind of more like a walking pose than this one. More of a galloping, but it's not. It's more of a trotting. I don't, you know the difference between galloping and trotting. I don't even know if that's the right terms. I'm so sorry. This is going to be a terrible video. I can't wait to put it up online. Finally, we have this horse here, and his tail's tucked in. Strange that it's molded right up against the leg, but I guess that's all right. I guess it's part of the game. They know what they're doing. This looks like, yeah, he's just taking it easy today. He's just doing his own thing. This is the handle. Let me see here. Let's use this customers. Let's use this clicky here. She's a little dressed too nice to be playing with horses, but I guess she would be kind of like maybe training the horse, or you know, just kind of there. I don't know, guys, but yeah, this is cool. Regardless of the fact that it doesn't have a saddle, it looks like it would definitely fit a saddle on there. Unfortunately, I'm pretty sure I wouldn't get one to match the harness here, which I'm pretty sure I didn't call it that earlier. And then here's the second one, and here's the first one. So we got all three of them together here. Huge improvement from these guys. These horses, this design gave me years of creativity and imagination and just pure happiness. So I can't ever take that away from those. But for stylistic purposes, for consistency of the design of Playmobil toys, especially in regard to clickies, I think this style is 1,000 times better. Very big improvement, and kudos to Playmobil for doing that. I really love how, rather than just putting a little hole in their head, they actually have a blackened area for the eye. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to show these horses a little bit up close for you. They definitely make for a quick and easy add-on to your collection. And that, my friends, concludes our video today. So if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't, and follow us on Instagram. We can be found at playmo.af. We have more videos on the way, but until then, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time, right here on Playmo AF. Bye-bye.